Alright, we've got our test dummy here, the battery's on the charge. Stefan over there's about to start grinding. Let's see if we can get a small explosion. So that's the danger, as you can see by looking at this battery. Hydrogen, very, very dangerous. Acid all over the test dummy, acid on the walls, acid on the bench. You don't need this in your workshop. You need to charge your batteries outside in one of our storage solutions to ensure the safety of your workers. As you can see, complete meltdown. If you're looking for a safe storage solution for batteries and battery charging, this storage unit is the answer. It's Australian made, it's strong, you can put it anywhere, and you can ensure the safety of your employees or children, or on landfill sites the general public. It's a winner.